Hi, my name is Bruce. Welcome to my cooking channel. Today we're going to make BLT Dip. First we need 1 package of cooked bacon. One cup of sour cream. 1 cup of mayonnaise. 1.5 cup of cheddar cheese.
There you go.
1 medium tomato. 8 ounces of cream cheese. Together. Now we'll put it in a dish. More cheese and more tomatoes on top. There you are. There you are, tomatoes. Cheese. Sprinkle the cheese on top. Bring bacon 375 for 20 minutes. Get help for the dog. Garnish with chives. Now we're done. Now we try it. Careful, it's hot.
Is it good? What's it taste like? Is it good?
Chips.
Look at the camera. What does it taste like?
Chips. It just tastes like chips.
What does the dip taste like?
Chips.
Does it taste good?
Sound and look at the bell button.